Hey everybody, we've got Creamsicle in the shop here at LMC Truck today, and we're going to outfit her with some bucket seats, converting her over from the bench. First thing we're opening here is our seat and console mounting brackets. These brackets are made in the USA using high-strength steel and powder-coated black for this nice finished look. And the best part is they're designed to mount using the original holes in the truck's floorboard. These are our LMC buckets, low back, contoured, and ready to bolt right in. Now these seats are covered in premium grade vinyl and stitching. They are comfortable and durable. They also come with sturdy steel seat tracks and reclining mechanisms. Our LMC custom buddy console we've got here is great for a third passenger, an armrest, it's got cup holders, and even extra storage. And just like the bucket seats are available in red and black stitching as well. When you get your seats, you break them out, it's going to be all the parts right here. You're going to have two sliders for each seat, one master control, one slave. All your nuts and bolts are going to be attached to the box. The nuts and the bolts have two separate purposes. The bolts are what holds the sliders to the seats. There's one there, and there's one up here. That holds the slider to the seat. The nuts are then, you're going to use them out here because they're going to go from the sliders and hold the sliders onto the frame. Okay. You're going to have to, whenever you mount this, you'll have to move these sliders up and down so that you can gain access to these mounting holes. When you want to reline it, it's marked in gray for them to be level. You can put that there and that one right there. Then you will be square going in. Once they're installed, then inside your case, you're going to find your adjusting rods. This connects the two sides together. You also find a blue mark on the slave, a blue on the master. This is where the controlling arm is at. You're going to start by inserting into the master side. Then you will have to bend this tang just slightly to get it to fit up through the other side, and then you can just bend it down as such. That will transfer your movement from side to side, releasing your tracks so that they will slide evenly. This are your side covers, and they're pretty self-explanatory. It comes with the instructions. The side cover, there will be two screws in there, and the side covers are going to go on the side right here. They're going to mount on the side through this hole right here. And it's got a self-tapper, so it'll be tough to put in the first time, but once it threads, it'll go right in. Once we have all of our parts out of the boxes and ready to go, we can pull the bench seat out and get our bucket seat bracket in. Then it's as simple as lining up the tracks, bolting them down, and sliding everything into place. That's it. Check out the LMC Bucket Seat Set and Buddy Console in your catalog or online at lmctruck.com. See you next time in LMC Garage.